intelligence is a set of processes, architectures, and technologies that convert raw data into meaningful information that drives profitable business actions. It is a set of software and services to transform data into an actionable intelligence and knowledge. Business intelligence tools perform data analysis and create reports, summaries, dashboards, maps, graphs, and charts to provide users with detailed intelligence about the nature of business. Let's understand the concept of business intelligence with the help of an example. Let's imagine you are the owner of an e-commerce store. You need to generate a report to find out which is the most selling product and which is the least selling product. Or you need to know the statistics of product sales for the month of March and April. For all of this, you can use BI. Business intelligence will convert your raw data into an actionable intelligence and knowledge. Now let's understand that why is business intelligence important? Business intelligence can identify ways to increase profit for your business or for your organization. With AI, very easily you can analyze customer behavior. You can compare data with other competitors. You can track performances. You can optimize operations, predict the success for your products, spot market trends, and you can discover issues or problems. And due to these points, that is why most of the companies are using business intelligence tools these days. Now let's understand various business intelligence tools and platforms. There are many business intelligence platforms available for ad hoc reporting, data visualization, and creating customized dashboard for multiple level of users. So we have different business intelligence tools available in the market. Some of them are Microsoft Power BI, which is very popular these days, Tableau, SAP Business Object, DataMine, MicroStrategy, Yellowfin BI, and ClickSense. So you can see that multiple business intelligence tools are available in the market today. But which one is the best? For this, I would like to show you one statistics. So here you can see in this image, we have top 10 business intelligence tools leaders by analyst rating. So we have taken this data from Select Hub, and according to them, you can see that Power BI is actually number one. Then we have Oracle Analytics, MicroStrategy, Spotfire, ClickSense, Visual Analytics, Domo, Lumdas BI, Sisense, and Tableau. So here you can see that which is the best business intelligence tool available in the market. The answer is Power BI. And we are going to learn the same. So here it completes the introduction of business intelligence. In simple terms, business intelligence can convert your raw data into a meaningful information.